Well, hello guys. So in front of me I have a PS4 Days of Play limited edition. It is a PS4 Slim and it's half of a terabyte hard drive. So this is actually a limited edition. So let's see what is in the package. So my camera setup here is quite small for a unit this big. So I paid around, I will leave on the screen how much I paid in each currency so you know, and the seller said that there is a problem with one of the controllers. So let's see what's inside and try to fix it. So inside we have one controller and cables, second controller and cables, and I believe that there is a console inside. So actually it is very nicely packaged. And the console itself, the manual, I will remove that and put it to a side. So let's see what we have. So first controller, oh, I see a damage here. The seller said that these L and R buttons are not working on one of the controller. So I presume it is this one. Is this broken? I'm not sure. Oh, this is maybe. No, it is a mold. Oh, this has been applied a lot. You can see that this sticker is almost non-existent. So it's the first controller, power adapter. An HDMI cable. Okay, enough of the cables. And the second controller. Oh, second controller also damaged here. So I'm not sure what to say about it then. Oh, this is actually blank. Okay, so it is very used console, that's for sure. And let's see here. Oh, he took some time to rub this nicely for me. Oh, and the console itself is very scratched. So I'm not sure what these are. You can see here on the reflection. These are some kind of stickers, some kind of glue. And you can see how dusty this console actually is. Not sure, can you see it here? So actually this sticker has been removed. I'm trying to look at the screw, but I don't see that it is damaged in any way, so maybe just a sticker. It has a missing feet. So that's what I got. Not sure what's wrong with this PlayStation, with this controller, or maybe this one. But you can see that there is a slight damage point here, and slightly damaged here and here. Also this. Oh, you can fix this. Okay. So I will test these two controllers, see what's wrong with them, and later I will try to clean this. I'm not sure, is this from my fingers or what's wrong with this. So a little bit dirty console, but nothing that we can't fix and try to restore and refurbish as much as I can. So let's start with the console. Let's disassemble, and this is the first time that I'm disassembling, so let's go. So for a console itself, we have these strange points and this. So what I plan to do is to clean it with NVIDIA 40, and with some cleaning wipes, with some isopropyl alcohol and with tissue. So let's start. I did test both of them. The other one is working, this one is not working. To be precise, L1 and L2 are not functioning at all. So I'm going to disassemble it and see what's wrong with this. So this is now the second day, and the console and the controllers are fully cleaned. So let's start with the controllers. This one was working, it is working fully, and it has been cleaned. You can see I fully disassembled it and cleaned it from inside, so it is looking very good. I also removed this sticker because there is no point in having it without any text. So that's with that controller. This controller was faulty. Both of these shoulder buttons weren't working, and the reason is a broken cable. So I ordered a new one. We'll have to wait for it to come to fully repair this controller, but nevertheless I disassembled it and fully cleaned it like the first one. So it is looking very good. As for the console, unfortunately, this console is very scratched. I'm not sure can you see it, but yes. There is not much I can do about this part. It is a glossy plastic and it is very easily scratched. From the inside, I disassembled it, fully cleaned it, and it is working much quieter now. You saw in a video how much dust and dirt was inside of this console. So that's for the console. Cables are here for you organized, and I have a box here near me. So that's a story with this PS4. Unfortunately, I'm very sorry about, very sad about this part. But yeah, that's all. That's all I got. So let's show you some close-up footage, and that's it for this video.